Welcome to ECO Nails. Today I'll be doing a swatch review of the ILNP Santa's Workshop collection. This is a 6-piece collection of various finishes, and it's available for pre-order on their site right now, but it officially comes out on November 7th. I have a lot of thoughts on this collection, so let's get to the swatches. Reindeer Crossing is described as a fawn brown magnetic with metallic gold flakes and holographic sparkle. This was absolutely my favorite from the collection. I like it in the velvet style and in the cat eye style. In both magnetization styles, it needed 3 coats. But I love how warm and cozy the base feels, and morally, I'm okay with wearing this even though we're not in like the holiday season yet. I feel like this is a good polish for this time of year. And I love the contrast between the like silvery, sparkly magnetic pigment and the warm base. I honestly don't know if I prefer this in the velvet style or the cat eye style. Let me know down below what you prefer. But yeah, I really like this polish, and it's a rare case where I don't feel like the scattered hollow is making it worse. Like I feel like the scattered hollow is a plus. So I really appreciated this shade. Unwrapped is a deep teal jelly with gold and green metallic flakes. This had a great formula. I definitely struggled a bit with the skinny brush, but it self-levels beautifully and it's like a great glassy finish. As for the rest of the polish, like besides the base, I think it's pretty. I just could see this in a summer collection, kind of like in an under the sea vibe. To me, this doesn't scream Christmas or holiday, and I think it's too similar to something else that's in the collection. So as a polish on its own, I think it's very pretty, but I would have preferred another magnetic. Secret Santa is a vivid Christmas red shimmer in a jelly-like base. I generally like red polishes, so I was happy to see this. I think it's beautiful, the formula was great, it was 2 very easy coats, and it was very sparkly. This is definitely a Christmas red. It screams holiday in your face. This particular shade of red is not my cup of tea. It leans a little less blue than I would like, but as a Christmas red, she's doing her job. Toyland is another polish I liked from this collection. It's described as a mint crelly with red and green metallic flakes. This had a great formula. It was a little kneecapped by the skinny brush. I just struggle with overworking polish, but even with that, the formula was great. I really like ILNP's crelly formula. I think this was so whimsical and fresh, and I don't have a ton of hyper specific polishes in my collection. Like, I don't have polishes for specific holidays and things like that. So it's exciting to have one that is so Christmas and that I'll look forward to wearing every Christmas season. In 3 coats, and I think it's such a pretty shade of mint. Noel is an evergreen jelly with red, gold, and blue metallic flakes. This one is the shade I was talking about as being similar to Unwrapped, but based on the description, the main difference is the addition of the red flakes. I think this is a perfect Christmas polish because it looks like a tree with little ornaments on it, and I love that. I really like this shade of green, and I think this is so cute. If this were left in the collection and Unwrapped were replaced with something else, I would think that the lineup was perfect because this has the same wonderful formula, but it has the added bonus of really feeling like Christmas at heart. And I think there's a little bit of hollow in this as well, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I thought this was beautiful, and I wore it in 3 coats. North Pole is a sheer white shimmer with scattered red metallic flakes. This is super sheer. So on my ring finger, I already have it applied, and that's in 3 coats. And you can see where, like, I feel like my nail line itself isn't visible, but you can see the line where my fingertip ends and my nail line starts. So anyway, I decided to try it with ILNP. I don't know the name of the white jelly. With ILNP's white jelly underneath, and use this more as a topper because it's just so mega sheer. I think I would only wear it with a blurring base or with this white jelly underneath, because I think my staining just ruins the Christmassy snowy vibe, if I'm being honest. That being said, I like the peppermint candy feel of this polish. I don't have like super strong opinions on this collection. I'm not like head over heels in love with it, and I'm not like burn it with hellfire. I think it's nice. I really like reindeer crossing. Um, it's a unique magnetic to my collection, and I think the red has a beautiful formula. Even with the like skinny brush, it still applied wonderfully. The only polish that I wish was replaced, maybe with another magnetic or another curly, is I think it's called Unwrapped. It's the teal. Oh, I have it right here. Yeah, it's the teal jelly. I just think it doesn't feel as in line with the rest of the collection, when the rest of the collection is kind of like these stereotypical, or maybe instead of stereotypical, I mean classic. It's like these classic Christmas colors, and then you have like a teal. And I think the description is like it's inspired by like wrapping paper and like the metallic, like whatever. I see the vision, but I'm not of the vision. Um, at this point, I'm just rapping. Um, like I honestly don't have much to say. I lied in the intro when I said I have a lot to say about this collection. I think it's cute. I think it fits Christmas really well. Like I said, the magnetic is really, really nice. And I'm also happy to have another ILNP Crelly in my collection. I have the white one with like the speckles that make it look like birthday cake mix. I think it's so adorable, and I really like the formula on their Crellies. So I'm glad to have another one of those. And yeah, overall, I think it's a nice collection. Let me know if you're planning on picking anything up. We can talk in the comments one on one. Okay, maybe not one on one. Like, there are other people in the comments too. But yeah, we can talk about that in the comments. Let me know what you're planning on picking up, or what other polishes are on your holiday/winter rack for 2025. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.